there's the 7 stages of phonics, really, from stage 1, which is really early years, generally just listening to sounds. Children don't even engage in writing and the symbols yet. It's just listening and being aware and processing those sounds, consonant, vowel, consonant sounds, at, and blending those. You then move on to more complex combinations of words, digraphs. And so it's familiarity with those. You can have PowerPoints and just flick through, and it's that quick recall. Either the high frequency words or the actual digraphs themselves, children need to be able to recognize them and then to blend them. Obviously going right up to trickier bits, silent letters, I suppose, at the end. By that stage, a child should be reading fluently and be able to use their phonics to decode words that they don't already know. It's that process of understanding and ensuring that what they know is secure, and then moving on to next steps. To really understand a text, or to understand and to comprehend for even the 7+ exams, the school wants to see that a child understands the text. We need context as well. In isolation, I think that a child doesn't get the full richness of a text, and so I think they need to engage with the reading in different ways, like context.